Hello and welcome to English 1. Quick rundown of our agenda. First, we are going to do our do now. You will be writing your response on your note catcher. So if you could please open up to Schoology and find day 2 so that you can complete our agenda today. All right, so I'll pause for a moment and please go to Schoology week 1, day 2. Moving right along. So, number 1 on our agenda, would you rather have $100,000 in cash or $1 million in Amazon gift cards, and why? Remember, you're not going to be counted off for spelling. This is a do now, but please make sure you're using correct capitalization and end punctuation. All right, moving right along. Number 2, we're going to go through some introductions. Again, my name is Miss Pipel. Up here we have my email, the best email to contact me at. If you're going to miss class, you can feel free emailing me there. It does go to my phone. The absolute best way to reach me, though, however, is my cell phone. This is my cell phone number, so you can text message me. I can't necessarily answer the phone during class, but text messages I typically can help you out. All right, and make sure you're coming to class at meet.google.com, and the code is DC21PIPAL, P-I-P-A-L. All right, 2.1, what is the best way to start your day? This is a light blue slide, so this is an I do, which I'll model for you, and then we'll get to the pink one, and you will have the opportunity for your you do on your note catcher. All right, what is the best way to start your day? My favorite way to start my day is to sleep in until I feel like getting up and quietly drink coffee. Obviously, I'm not counting off for my own grammar, but notice I do have correct capitalization and end punctuation. Good, right? All right. So next, your you do. Head on over to your note catcher and answer 2.1. What is the best way to start your day? Go ahead and pause. And when you're ready, continue. Second part of our introduction, what is something you are optimistic about? This is a review, so optimistic is an adjective for hopeful and confident about the future. I'll model for you. I am optimistic that I will do better at helping my daughter with remote learning this fall because she will be using Seesaw. Pause and head on over to your note catcher. I have provided sentence stems and the definition on the note catcher as well. When you're ready, continue on with this video. 2.3. What is something you are pessimistic about? Pessimistic is an adjective, seeing the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. I am pessimistic about pro sports continuing to play because it seems like athletes keep testing positive for COVID-19. Again, I'm not counting off for spelling or grammar on these. Remember, just capitalization at the beginning and punctuation. Okay, go ahead and complete 2.3 on your note catcher. What is something you are pessimistic about? And when you're ready, hit play. All right, number 3, our focus activity. In a moment, you're going to pause this video and you're going to head over to your note catcher again. I want you to watch the first 3.5 minutes of this video. The link is in the note catcher. We're going to watch the Growth Mindset video captioned above, closely watch and listen, and review the slides. Slides are linked into the note catcher as well. And then answer questions 3.1 to 3.3 in your note catcher. I want to show you specifically where you're going to see that on your note catcher is, if you come down here, this will open some slides for you. And it's going to ask you to make a copy. Go ahead and make a copy. And of course, mine's going to open slowly now. Looks very similar to what you're watching right now. And then this will review for 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3. You are going to want to use these slides to answer your questions. All right? So when you are done with 3.1 through 3.3, like I said, these slides will show up in your note catcher. And we'll close out today. Which growth mindset quote do you connect with, you like the most, and why? Number 1, there are better starters than me, but I am a strong finisher, by Usain Bolt. Or 2, it's okay to not know. It's not okay to not try. Thank you, and please make sure you turn your note catcher in. Submit it in Schoology. Have a great day. Bye.